Okay, now I'm going to show you sounds of letters, part 3.
Press a button. The letter A says A and A. The letter B says B. The letter C says K and S. The letter D says D. The letter E says E and E. The letter F says F. The letter G says G and J. The letter H says H. The letter I says I and I. The letter J says J. The letter K says K. The letter L says L. The letter M says M. The letter N says M. The letter O says O and Ah. The letter P says P. The letter Q says Qu. The letter R says R. The letter S says S. The letter T says T. The letter U says U and The letter V says V. The letter W says W. The letter X says X. The letter Y says Y and I and E. The letter Z says Z.
That's it for part 3. Stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to like and share this. Thank you. Bye.